Hello children, welcome to the literacy skills class. Hope you all have practiced the alphabets that have been taught to you in the previous class. Today we shall continue with the further alphabets. So get set, go!
Begin. Take your pencil and a 4-line notebook and repeat the strokes along with me. So let us start. Letter E. Standing line. Start from the top pink line. Sleeping line. Small sleeping line. And then a big sleeping line, that is capital E. Then in between two blue lines, small e. Start from the center of the mid of the line, then take the curve behind, continue to the mid of the blue lines, in between the blue lines, that is capital E, small e. What sound do they make? A. A. Elephant. So the next letter is F. Correct. F. Let us start. Start from the top. First line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. That is F. F. That is capital F. Now small f. A curve and a standing line towards the bottom line. Then a small sleeping line from the center of the line. So that is small f. Isn't it easy? So children, what sound does F makes? Correct. F. F. Fish. F. Fish. Next letter G. G. Half circle. Take it a bit up towards the center line. Then stretch a sleeping line, and then from the center of the sleeping line, let's draw a standing line. That is your G. Capital G. Now small g. Let us begin from the second line. Half circle and then draw a standing line, then bend it towards the bottom. That is your small g. Children, what is the sound of G? Correct. G. G. Goat. G. Goat. Children, what is the letter after G? It's H. Correct. So, let us start writing H. Standing line from the top line. Again, another standing line from the top line towards the third line. Then draw a sleeping line between both the standing lines. That becomes your H, capital H. Now let's start writing small h. Standing line from the top line to the third line. Then draw a bent curve reverse side, that is small h, capital H, small h. So children, what sound does H makes? H. 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 Horse. H. Horse. Correct. The letter after H is I. So let us write letter I. Start from the top line. Standing line. sleeping line, sleeping line, that is capital I, capital I. Small I, you have to draw a standing line between the two blue lines. Then you have to make a dot at the top of it. That is your small I. What is the sound of I? Correct. Ah, 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 ice cream. Ah, ice cream. The next letter is, what comes after I? J, correct. So let us start writing letter J. Start from the top line, standing line, bend the curve towards the middle line and then make a sleeping line at the first line, that is capital J. Then small j. Start from the second line towards the last line, bottom line, then similar curve as we have made in capital J, that is small j. Draw a dot here at the top of the line, that is your small j. Children, what sound does letter J makes? Correct. Joker. J, joker. Next letter, letter K. K. The strokes are, start from the top line, standing line, then two slanting lines. Start from the top line towards the middle line. Again, start from the middle line, take it towards the third line. We have two slanting lines, back slant and front slant. So, capital K. Then, let us write small k. Standing line. Here we have to make the slanting line from between the two blue lines, that is small k. Capital K, small k. What sound does K makes? Correct. K. K, kite. K, kite.
So children, that was all for today. Keep practicing all the letters. Don't forget to repeat their sound and the words related to the alphabet. So it's bye for now. Let us meet in next class. Take care and have a good day.